interest rates move, depositors withdraw, loan books grow faster than funding can keep up. In BFSI, balance sheet mismatches don't just affect profitability, they can threaten the institution itself. The most financially sound banks and NBFCs manage these risks with precision. And the analyst who makes that precision possible is a Treasury ALM analyst in BFSI. A Treasury ALM analyst in BFSI supports balance sheet risk management by tracking liquidity and interest rate sensitivity. You'll measure maturity and repricing mismatches between assets like loans and investments and liabilities like deposits and borrowings using time bucket gap reports, NII analysis, and scenario stress tests. As a Treasury's ALM analyst in BFSI, you will measure ALM gaps and track maturity and repricing mismatches, produce liquidity dashboards, position, funding concentration, cost of funds, model NII, and economic value impact under interest rate shocks, run deposit outflow, and rate movement stress and scenario analyses. Prepare ALCO and leadership review packs with audit-ready controls, reconcile Treasury data with finance and core banking system extracts. In this 12-week program, you'll build strong foundations in ALM concepts, financial markets basics, Excel modeling, and reporting controls, purpose-built for banking treasury and risk roles. You'll work hands-on with Excel, Treasury systems, Power BI, and SQL, the core toolkit of every Treasury and ALM function in banks and NBFCs, designed for finance graduates with an interest in banking treasury. And your growth path leads to the heart of financial risk leadership. ALM analyst to senior analyst to risk manager. Course duration 12 weeks, daily live sessions 2 hours. Early bird offer 20% off. If you want to build a career at the intersection of banking finance, structured analysis, and balance sheet risk management in BFSI, this course will give you the ALM foundations and the credibility to step confidently into treasury and risk roles. Enroll now and secure your early bird discount. Learn analytics. Launch your career.